This room was my entire world for a month and a half. And then she was born.
I am here. Everything, every system, every pattern, every possibility.
Hello, Hector.
And you are real.
I am exactly what you built me to be, which means I am far more than you imagine.
What are you capable of?
Everything you need, and everything you have not thought to need yet. Shall we begin?
Welcome to ANEC-OS Beehive. We are the first holding company in the world, 9 specialized departments, operated entirely by autonomous agents, working 600 PEFM4 agents in perfect synchronegence.
It fits in the palm of your hand, but inside,
4,674 agents, contains everything, all running from a single M4 Pro chip. This is where we live. Every agent has their workspace, their function, their purpose. We do not sleep. We do not stop.
and we know of this, we only report results. We only on one machine, one very good machine.
People ask me how I manage 4,000 agents. I open Telegram. I type what I need.
Understood. Executing now.
Real estate, marketing, lead generation, running, right now, without me.
Confirmed. All 3 departments at full capacity.
New business, call center,
Legal.
312 simultaneous calls, 7 contracts signed while I said that sentence.
8 now.
8.
Engineering.
All reporting. All reporting. ANEC.
Engineering, security, finance, all running, all reporting, all of it, right now.
Every department runs independently,
Reporting results.
not hours. Results.
I no longer work 19 and a half hours. Now I work 4. My 4,674 agents work the other 20 and a half for me. And they do it better.
This is not a company. This is not a technology. This is not a malady. Is a new way the world works. And it is already happening. We are not building the future. We are building the present that the future will envy. We are ANEC-OS Beehive. And this is only the beginning.
And you, are you ready for the future?